Let's talk about driving on the expressway. We had an emergency, so we had to get over. I build up my speed. I get out to the first lane. My four ways are on, so hopefully this car sees me. And I'm gonna get over one lane to the left. And it is really dangerous out here. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults, so we're being safe out here. And it's a lot of heavy rain. It's at night, and it's very difficult to see. So these things I'm going to talk about will keep you safe and not crashing. You don't want to go too fast. If you go too fast, you're simply going to lose control of your vehicle, hit the wall, or go into the ditch. You want to be patient. It's really easy to try to keep up with cars, and if you try to keep up with cars, people who have more experience or who are reckless, they're going to end up getting too close, hydroplaning, losing control. Next, you want to make sure your car's in good mechanical condition. We have pretty good tires in here, a lot of tread, about 80% tread. You want to get over to your destination, to your lane early. I need to get over one lane to the right, and I'm taking my time. Next, around curbs, you want to lift your foot and be smooth. If you overturn, you're going to end up in the ditch. And we're not trying to go into the ditch. We're trying to take our time. We're trying to be patient and have best practice. If you look at the line to the right, that will help you. You want to see the line. That's called guideline. And you see this spray in this truck? That is extremely dangerous. And there was some roadkill we just ran over. There are animals that will come out, and you want to simply be patient. I need to turn on my right. Listen to the sound. You can hear the sound of tires. And get accustomed to listening to sounds in your driving environment. We're coming on a cloverleaf, which is extremely dangerous. So I'm squeezing my brakes, going around the curve, taking my time. Don't overturn the car. You'll end up in the ditch. Those chaperone alignment signs tell you it's a really sharp curve, and then you have cars merging. This is a temptation to go really fast, and if you do, you're going to end up crashing because there's a very sharp. That car was in the wrong lane. They should have got over. They waited till the last second. Don't wait till the last second to do your maneuvers. Do those maneuvers earlier. I'm going into the curve. Centrifugal force is, whoa, you see me almost going off the road? And I'm going like about 17. You gotta reduce your speed around these curves. Take your time. I'm turning on my right turn signal. I have to come to a complete stop. It is a one-way. I have my complete stop, and then I go into the nearest lane. Okay, for teaching purposes, I want to get over one lane to the left. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. What am I looking at? I'm looking ahead as far as possible. A lot of the beginning drivers will look down trying to see the lines, then they end up drifting left and right. You want to look ahead. Eventually you'll learn how to see the lines. Night driving is the challenge, and it is very scary. I'm not even going to lie to you. But with practice and you watching my tutorials and learning, you will become a solid and competent driver. Our speed control is pretty good. We're looking ahead, taking our time. And I'm not trying to overturn the wheel. You should be able to see the line to the left. That is the warning line on the left. We're in North America. The edge line is on the right, which is white. The warning line is yellow. This could be a still green light. I strongly suggest you listen right now because I'm going over D&D knowledge test questions. I'm scanning the intersection. You do not want to get in a habit of running lights, because if you run lights, you're going to end up killing someone, injuring yourself. So I teach my students best practice. Slow down, If you can stop in 3 seconds safely, you need to do that. It's no guarantee if you go through a light. You will get hit. You will be in a dangerous situation. So what I need you to do is ask questions. Like this car is going about 12 under the limit. You as a driver, you want to understand why. What are they doing? That's an older driver, and during this time, people are out, and you want to be aware of this. Intersections are dangerous. Let's scan again. Let's look. Let's take our time. And I'm just looking. I'm looking, observing. There could be debris in the road. We had a blowout yesterday, and that's when you have a rapid inflation of air and possibly lose control of the car, so you want to lift your foot. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I do driving tutorials. I strongly suggest you subscribe to the channel, share, like, tell your friends, leave some comments. I will reply to you, and we will be going live very soon with a knowledge test review. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bye.